Here I have LG K22 and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the display section, wallpaper. Here you can select if you want to set yourself some of the live wallpapers. If you have one, yeah, you can select it from here. You can select one of the preset wallpapers here, or you can just set your own image as a wallpaper by going to the My Photos. Then you select your photo. Here you can adjust it and then tap Set Wallpaper. Then you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And that's it. As you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.